Oh, I'm too tall for everything. Hey loves, so we are gonna go shopping today. My phone's going off. Is that Amanda? Amanda? We're gonna see Amanda too, so. She asked if I wanted to go to Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's. Anyway, so we are gonna go shopping today. I'm looking for something a little bit different from my background. I have always just had like, I don't know, I've switched up a few times, but like right now it's just been the blank background because I kind of want something simple, but I think I'm gonna try and do something a little more homey. So I'm gonna go to At Home, maybe Michael's, maybe Hobby Lobby. I don't know, apparently we're going to Trader Joe's now. Anyway, I'm gonna get a coffee and then go meet up with Amanda and see, I don't know what all we're gonna do. But anyway, I need to learn to look here and not look up here. I'm very new to the vlogging game. I'm trying guys. I wish that I was a little bit shorter because this is really difficult to get a decent angle in this car. Let's go. Guys, I'm pretty sure my neighbor saw me vlogging and he was just staring at me. That's fine. We stayed in number 49th Street.
Good afternoon. The Starbucks will be going for you.
Can I just get an iced venti toffee nut iced coffee? Wow, I said that really backwards.
I'm so sorry. You sound like you said an iced venti peppermint iced coffee.
Toffee nut.
What kind of? So iced venti coffee nut.
Sorry. Yes, with cream too, please.
With cream, my gosh.
My brain like went out. I don't know what just happened. Sorry.
Oh, my brain went out like a lot. Anything else I can get for you?
No, that'll be everything.
All right, I'll see you up here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It's only because I was recording that I completely blanked. Ice venti. I don't have to say ice. Toffee nut iced coffee. Wow. Awesome, thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Coffee, 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 coffee. Very cute.
How cute. I don't know, bird
I don't
plants?
even like fake plants. Yeah, I don't even know because I don't know what else. Maybe I need that gnome. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. It's like $25 though. But she cute. I like the little.
It's so cute. That's so nice. The little guy.
Yeah.
That one looks kind of real. I like when they look real.
When they look real. Yeah. You gotta be fake because the kittens will eat them. Too many options.
So cute. So cute.
Guys, so we are finally baking something. We are gonna make cookies. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably have seen me make these quite a few times. And I kind of switch them up sometimes. The recipe that I normally use is this guy right here. I'll link it down below, but I'm gonna try and cut it in half, and I do alter it a little bit. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so it calls for 1 cup of butter, but I'm gonna cut it in half. So I'm just doing a half a cup, which is one stick, and it's softened. I left it out probably too long. Okay, and then it has 1 cup regular like white sugar and 1 cup brown sugar, but I'm gonna do half a cup of each because again, we're cutting this in half. Because the full recipe makes like 3 dozen cookies, and I'm not in school right now, so I don't need 3 dozen cookies. Okay, so the recipe calls for 2 eggs, but again, since we are cutting in half, we're gonna do 1 egg. But I don't like using real eggs, which I don't know. I mean, I will if I need to, but I just have egg beater, so I'm gonna do a 4th cup of this in place of 1 egg. And then I'm gonna be real, I don't measure any of the, the little things like the salt or the baking powder. I literally just eyeball it, which is probably not the smartest thing to do, but for reference, what's supposed to have half a teaspoon of salt. I'm too tall for this tiny tripod. I need to put in vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking soda, so it needs to be a half teaspoon baking soda. It says 2 teaspoons hot water. You're supposed to dissolve the baking soda in hot water. I never do that. A half a teaspoon salt, chocolate chips, and it says walnuts, but I use almonds. I prefer these ones over the like semi-sweet. Will you focus please, camera? Thank you. They just taste better. So there's nothing dietetic about these at all. So definitely not low calorie cookies. They're just a basic cookie recipe. And then vanilla, I like to add almond just because it's my fave. It's my fave. So we'll add some of that. I just measure it on the cap, full. Whoop. And the vanilla. And then this is weird, but I like to add, I like to add a little bit of cinnamon. It's just a little bit different. Not a ton, just a little bit. You're supposed to put 3 cups of flour in, so we're gonna do 1.5. Okay, so of course, wash your hands. And then this is parchment paper. I feel like they just bake so much better on parchment paper than on anything else. So definitely not perfect by any means, but I just like the little detail that that adds on the top. So we are gonna bake these. It is at, whoop, if I can turn this, 350. I've made a mess. Clearly, nothing new. Every time I bake, everything's everywhere. I have dropped sugar, I've dropped brown sugar, I've dropped almonds. It's what I do, it's dewy in here. Bun is up high, loud and proud today. Okay, so we're gonna bake these. It's usually about 10 minutes per batch, but we'll see. So I'm assuming it's gonna be about 1.5 batches because it always makes 3 dozen, and I could do a dozen per batch. Pretty basic, pretty basic, pretty basic. I'm not pretending like this is anything revolutionary at all. It's definitely not, but it's fun. I don't know, just so you guys know. It's a very consistent cookie recipe too, so like it usually always turns out great, and I've had really good feedback on it. So I don't know, maybe it's about the winging it, but it's not my recipe again. I mean, I tweak it, but it's definitely not mine. Sometimes I throw butterscotch chips in. Sometimes I will replace 1 cup of, I had an almond on my hand, 1 cup of flour with oats, or like 1.5 cups. This is, I usually make the full batch, but I just wanted to make a smaller batch today because I don't need all them cookies hanging out in my house. So I'm gonna have to gift these or figure out what to do. The cats are staring at me. Excuse me, sir. What doing? What doing, tiny bee? Okay, so I'm going to pop these in the oven and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll show you guys this really cool package that I got from Obsession. And a lot of you guys probably know that Obsession is part of the Revolution Beauty line. So here is the well sheet that came with it. It's going to be at Target, and I'm so excited. Yes, it's on top of my stove, which I should not leave it here, but my kitchen table is a mess, so we're going to look at it on my stove. Don't do this at home. But here is what's in here. I opened a couple things, that's why there's plastic in there. I opened the concealer. They sent a few of those. So there are a couple primers. The All A Blur primer, All A Blur primer, in the Picture Perfect primer. There is a Moon Glow setting spray. There is a Dewy Fix setting spray, which you guys know I'm all about that dew. There are 3 concealers in here. Wait, there's 4 concealers. One is the white one, thank goodness. They sent the white one, and then they sent 60, number 6, and 04. So I think I'm gonna be able to mix 4 in the white one to get my shade. There is a liquid glow drop right here. A Pure Bake translucent powder. I'm excited. We're gonna do a whole testing video on all this stuff. A couple of their highlighters. I can't remember which one I have. I have one of them. I feel like it's one of these. I don't know, you guys. There's a few lip products. Ooh, they are so pretty. I feel like this one, what are you? Soulmate. I think Soulmate's gonna definitely be my jam. And then there is Game Changer palette. Ooh, she pretty. All we have is Now. Some pretty blues in there. That packaging is gorgeous. The Be Obsessed palette, which is a really beautiful neutral palette. Be in Love, which is another kind of softer neutral palette. Ooh, so pretty. This does not focus well. And then this is the Give Me Some Sun bronzer little thing. And then this is another face palette in Committed. Ooh, that highlight though. Those are all shimmery though. But let's see. I think that'll be, I think Buff's gonna be an okay contour, and maybe even Raise. So yeah, that's everything that's in there. But I'm very excited. I'm excited. And that's what they look like all done. I'm just gonna place them on my little rack over there so they can cool. I like to take them out before they're too brown. You can see they've got some color on them, but not too brown, because I like them a little more chewy and not too hard, I guess. Sorry if it's loud. Now there is the air conditioner on because it is hot in here. I wish that this tripod was so much taller. Okay, so we are down in the filming room, which is a disaster. But I realized I didn't show you guys the stuff I got at, oh my goodness, get your brain together, Shannon. I did not show you the stuff I got at Home Goods. So I'm gonna show you what I got. This. So I got this little tiny baby succulent, and he was $2.99. Don't mind my nails, per usual. So cute. He's fuzzy. He's fake, of course, because I would kill a real one. I'm not good at it. I need to go through this real bad because these are all old. And then this little plant, again, a fake one for $12.99. Deals. You guys, a lot of you guys asked where this guy came from. I got it around Halloween at Home Goods. And then this guy I thought was a one piece, but it was definitely separate. So I guess it's got the tag on it though. This guy, the top part, the flowers, the bouquet, what are words, was $10 on clearance from $20. So this is super cute. And then the actual vase was $7.99. It's hard to tell, but it's like a really, really, really light pink. It looks kind of white, but it's definitely a pink. So she's cute. And I just push these back when I'm not filming because my cats would knock them off. But yeah, just something new. There's this too. I got this at, I think, HomeGoods as well. A long time ago. But they always have cute stuff like this. These need to be organized. This needs to be organized real bad. It's a mess. And then my dad just put this light up here for me to help light up the background a little more, which I'm really, really excited about. So thanks, Dad. You the best. What do? What do? What do? What do? You crazy. You are crazy.